Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and my topic for today is the essential conditions for invoking as per the section 185. The rights of a woman of the maintenance is not an absolute right under the section 125 of CRPC. It is the very same circumstance which is prescribed by any fact that she is unable to keep up herself, and further the spouse having an adequate method is ignored or won't look after other. The standard of the proof in A is such proceeding is not a is required in a trial offence under section 494A 494 of IPC. If the claimant in the proceeding under section 125 of the code then succeed in showing that she has the respondents have lived together as a husband and wife, and the court was presumed that they are legally wedded spouses, and in such situation the party who denies the meritorious status can revert the presumptions. Then there are some proceedings under our CRPC 125 section 5. A wife is considered wife only if the marriage with a man is legally valid. A wife can guaranteed and get upkeep from her on the behalf of complying conditions. Then there are some conditions. First one is if she is divorced by her husband. Second one is if she has obtained the divorce for her husband. Third one is if she has not remarried. Fourth one is if she is not able to look after herself. The wife cannot claim or get maintenance from her husband in following circumstances. First one is she is living in an adultery. Second one is she refuses to live with her husband without any valid reason. Third one is if she is living separately from his husband by the mutual consent. Then there is live-in relationship, domestic relationship in the nature of the marriage. The Supreme Court observed that the relationship in the nature of marriage, a couple must hold themselves out of the society as being a skin of the spouses. Second one, they should be legal age of the marriage. There must be an otherwise qualified to enter into a marriage, including being unmarried. There must be a lived together as per their will and had themselves out of the world as being a keen of spouse for an significant period of the time. Further, the Supreme Court ruled that no all live-in relationship amount to a relationship in the nature of marriage, and marriage to get the benefit of the conditions mentioned by the court must be satisfied, and it is proved by the evidence. Then there are some legitimate or illegitimate minor childs, male or female kids, independent whether they are brought into the world inside outside the legitimacy. Substantial marriage of a dad and mother can guarantee the maintenance. Son and the daughter. Minor, if the minor means a person who is under the provision of section 3 of Indian Majority Act 1875, it deems not an attained his majority. As on another hand, daughter, in the minor daughter who is unmarried, then she is entitled to get the maintenance of her husband. If she is not married, then she is entitled to maintain for her father, but the magistrate has to be satisfied that her husband has not essential and sufficient means to maintain his minor wife. Mother and father is a third element. Both the mother and the father, regardless of whether the normal or can guarantee to upkeep and any of at least one of their youngsters. Girl is additionally obliged to pay support to their mothers and father. The stage of the mother can guarantee a support just an event that she is a widow and she does not characterized as an convicted girl or a child. Thank you.